By the end of this video, you will know how to make separate pages in your Wix website. Start by signing in to your Wix account. Once you are logged in, go to the website you want to work on and open that site so you are editing the correct project. If you manage more than one Wix site, take a moment here to make sure you have selected the right one before moving forward. From there, open the Wix editor. You will usually see an option such as Design Site or Edit Site. Click that to launch the editor for your website. If the editor takes a moment to load, wait until the full workspace appears before continuing. When the editor is open, move to the left side of the screen and click Pages. This opens the panel where your current website pages are listed. Here you can view the structure of your site and manage the separate pages connected to it. To create a new page, click the option labeled Add Page, shown with a plus sign. Wix will then prompt you to create the page. Enter the name you want to use for this new page. This should match the purpose of the page, such as a contact page, services page, or any other section you want to add to the site. After typing the name, click Done or Create, depending on the version of the editor you are using. Once the new page has been added, you can begin customizing it. This is where you build out the page content. Add text for headings, descriptions, or any written information you want visitors to read. Add images if the page needs visuals, and insert buttons if you want people to click through to other parts of your website. You can also add sections and other elements available in Wix to shape the layout of the page. As you place these items, keep your content focused on what this specific page is meant to do, since each separate page should have its own role within the website. If you need more than one separate page, repeat the same process. Go back to the Pages panel, click Add Page again, name the next page, and then build its content. You can continue creating as many separate pages as your website needs. This allows you to divide content into clear sections instead of placing everything on a single page. After your new pages are created and customized, publish the website so those pages become available on the live version of your site. Click Publish in the editor and wait for Wix to finish updating the site. Once the publish process is complete, the separate pages you added will be visible on your live Wix website. Your Wix website now includes separate published pages.